Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. We studied in our previous class وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ, and in this class we're going to study كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. Repeat after me. كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. Again. كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. Combine them together. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ. I can't say it. That's alright, I know. Take a deep breath. I forgot to tell you. Take a deep breath. Again. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. Excellent. One last time. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٍ. Wonderful. You're already seeing that almost every letter wears the help cap. Well, all of us sometimes get hurt. We will study 5 special letters. How many? 5 special letters today. When they wear the help cap, you make sure to give extra sound. If you hit the ball that I have in my hand, wow, can you feel that? It bounces back. Similarly, when you have these 5 help caps, the sound in your throat goes, stops, and comes back a little. So, let us try to understand the 5 letters that wear the help cap and makes that sound. أقوى, 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 أبى, أجى, أدى, أقوى, إقوى, أقوى, أقوى, إقوى, أقوى, أبى, إبى, أبى, أجى, إجى, أجى, أدى, إدى, أدى. I hope that all of you like the qalqala letters that make the extra sound from our throat. أقوى, إقوى, أقوى, أقوى, إقوى, أقوى, أبى, إبى, أبى, أجى, إجى, أجى, أدى, إدى, أدى. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. So, buckle up and let's go and learn how to recite Quran properly. خلقنا. The first word, خلقنا. Do not make the mistake of saying خلق, but it is خا. خلقنا. And also do not say خلقنا. It is wrong, but you have to make sure that you say it properly by saying خلقنا. Listen to me again. خلقنا. Excellent. And children, do you know the meaning of خلقنا? It means we created. Let's go to the next word now. رزقناهم. رزقناهم. I can't hear you. I know I can't hear you, but I want you to make sure that you recite in a loud and energetic voice. رزقناهم. Very good. Do not make the mistake of saying رزقناهم. رزق. No, do not overstretch them, but listen to me again. رزقناهم. رزقناهم. Excellent. The next word is مطلعي. مطلعي. مطلع مط. And also do not say met. It is not ta, but it is ta. مط. لاعي is wrong. لعي. مطلعي. Listen to me carefully. مطلعي. Excellent. And the next word we have is قبلك, not خبلك. Do not make the mistake of saying خبلك. There is no such thing as خبل, but it is قا. قبلك. قبلك. The next one is قبلهم. What is it? قبلهم. And the one after is قبلكم. قبلكم. Make sure that you pronounce the qa properly, because all of the words that we have here are starting with qa. So do not say قبلكم, but say قبلكم. The next one is قبله. قبله. And the one after is قبلوا. Do not say قبلوا. And also do not say قبلوا. It is wrong. Say قبلوا. Now we come to a new sentence, a new line, which we have again 4 new words. The first one is ibnu. 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 Wrong. But the correct one is ibnu. The second one we have is abdu. Not abdu, but abdu. And also do not say abdu. Make sure that both of your lips are nice and circular. Abdu. Very good. Excellent. Abdu. The next one is Ibrahim. No, not Ibrahim, but Ibrahim. Ibrahim. Very good. The last one in our sentence here is يبصرون. يبصرون. Not يبصرون, but صا. يبصرون. Now we have Iblis. Iblis. Listen carefully. Iblisu. Iblisu. The next one after that is Tajri. Tajri. And the one after is Najzi. Najzi. I'm sure you're having so much fun cruising at a very nice speed, because now you are becoming very good as we progress, because alhamdulillah you are following our lessons and learning how to read the Quran. Ajma'in is our next word, so don't say ajma'in, but the a should be nice and clear, and say ajma'in. Ajma'in. Very good. The next word after that is yaj'alu. Not yaj'alu. There's no such thing as yaj'alu, but yaj'alu. Do not say yaj'alu. Wrong. But the correct one is yaj'alu. The makhraj of a is from the center of your throat. Make sure that you pronounce it properly. Yaj'alu. The next one after that is mujrimina. Mujrimina. Do not say mujrimina. No. Mujrimina. Nice and soft towards the end. Listen to me one more time. Mujrimina. And the one after is wajadna. What is it? Wajadna. And the last one in our sentence is adni. Adni. We have a set of 4 new words now. قد. 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 The next one is فقد. فقد. And we're going to go a little faster because all of a sudden, we're going to shift to our fourth gear and then go to the fifth gear. Because all of the words have a very common thing, which is the qa and the da. The first one is qad, the second is faqad, and the third waqad, and the last laqad, So let's put it in reverse. Just went in our reverse. Again, the four: qad, faqad, waqad, laqad. And now let's continue on our journey. Well, this sentence has again 4 new words. First one is adraka. Here, some people may make a mistake by saying adraka. It is not adraka, but ra. Adraka. Also, if someone says adraka, that is also wrong. But the correct one is adraka. That's the correct way to say it. The next one is yad'una. Yad'una. And the next one after that is udkhulu. And the final one is tad'una. Very nice. I'm so impressed with you. Let us learn how to write in Arabic because it's a lot of fun and it's very interesting. Remember that if we make a small mistake, we'll have huge difference in its meanings. Therefore, you have to be very careful and be ready for the challenge. So let me show you how to write the first word. I'll take my board and I'll take my marker, and we start with the first word, which is khalaqna. So here we go. This is the kha, this is the la. The dot for the kha, the fatha, lam, and I take the qa, fatha for that, khalaq, na. Again, you have the kha, and then you have the dot, the fatha, kha, la, qa, 2 dots, the fatha, and the sukoon. The noon and the alif, the dot, and the fatha. Khalaqna. So why don't you take a pen and paper and write with me. So we start and we go all the way down and we put a dot and we have the fatha, then we have this, the qa, we come to the na, and we write the sukoon because it's very important, and then we have the na with the fatha. I hope that you're learning. Let's take the second word so that we get more practice, inshallah. The second word for us in this lesson is qablika. So I start with qab, the 2 dots, and the fatha. And then I go and write the ba, the sukoon, the la, with the kasra it becomes li, qabli, and I write the ka, qablika. I want you to take a pen and a paper and write qab, the dot, the 2 dots here for the qa, the fatha, the sukoon, and then the lam and the ka. Qablika. Let me show you one more time how to write qablika. We start with the qa. Make sure you have the dots for the qa, the fatha, then you have the dot and you have the sukoon. We come with the lam and we have the la. So we have the Hamza inside the ka with the fatha. Wonderful. Now, I want all of you to practice the two remaining words we have in our lesson, and they are رَزَقْنَاهُمْ and مَطْلَعِ. I hope that you can practice that on your own, because I'm not going to help you, because I know that you can do it by yourself. بكم هذا? How much is this for? Well, this is something used in a marketplace if you go and try to do some shopping. So, let's come together and learn Arabic with actions. Bika means in you, bikum means in you all. Bika means in you, bikum means in you all. Bika means in you, bikum means in you all. Bika means in you, bikum means in you all. Repeat after me. Bika, bikum, bika, bikum. Bika, bikum, bika, bikum. Bika, bikum, bika, bikum. MashaAllah. Wonderful job. Let's practice by putting everything together, whatever we have learned so far. Bihi means in him, bihim means in them. Bika means in you, bikum means in you all. Repeat after me in Arabic only. Bihi, bihim, bihi, bihim. Bika, bikum, bika, bikum. Bihi, bihim, bihi, bihim. Bika, bikum, bika, bikum. Excellent. Last time. Bihi, bihim, bihi, bihim. Bika, bikum, bika, bikum. Excellent. MashaAllah. Now repeat with me as I read. Bihi, bihim, bika, bikum, bihi, bihim, bika, bikum. Again. Bihi, bihim, bika, bikum, bihi, bihim, bika, bikum. Bihi, bihim, bika, bikum. MashaAllah, that was excellent. Wow, children, I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time, and I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids, and a Teachers Resource Center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum